Namaste dear friends, welcome to Hatha Yoga Focus. This is the first day of Pranayama series. This series is continuous 3-day program. So in this series we are learning two important pranayama. Number one is Kapalabhati, number two is Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. So today we are doing Kapalabhati. So Kapalabhati is in Sanskrit, Kapala means skull, Pati means shining. So it is collectively we can say that skull shining. Kapalabhati is one of the 6 cleansing techniques in Hatha Yoga. So these 6 cleansing techniques it's collectively called as shat karmas. Kapalabhati is one of them. The importance of Kapalabhati is to remove the excess mucus from the nostrils and also to remove the bad air from the lower part of the lungs. So this is we are practicing with the forceful exhalation and passive inhalation. So through using our abdomen. This also helps to massage our internal organs as well. And other point is if you are having many illness such as heart disease, high blood pressure or epilepsy or hernia or ulcer, if you have all this, any of this disease, I request you not to practice this. It will affect your body negatively. Otherwise, you're free to practice this. And remember, you have to practice these techniques on empty stomachs. If you're having food, at least you have to wait 3 hours, then you can practice this. So let's begin the session. Namaste. Sit in a comfortable sitting position, cross-leg position. Keep your both hands in chin mudra. We can start the session with the three Om chanting. Keep your spine straight, close your eyes. Om. 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 So we are doing Kapalabhati. As we mentioned before, we are doing active exhalation, passive inhalation. How to do this? So this is simple, but it is for the beginner it will be little difficult for them. So you have to, when I say 1 2 1 2, so when I say 1, you have to exhale forcefully and you have to inhale passively. When I say 2, you have to inhale passively, but it will happen naturally. When I say, for example, like this, when I say 1, your abdomen goes in, so you are exhaling forcefully. Again 1. So when you exhale forcefully, the inhalation is happening without your knowledge. So that's we are going to do. As a beginner, you have to place your right hand on your stomach or your abdomen, left hand in chin mudra. So when I say 1 2, you have to press forcefully on your abdomen like this. So air is going out. So when you're getting, when you could able to do without pressing your palms like this, you are getting it. You are going to start perfectly. And remember, many people are doing like this, using their shoulders and their chest, and not at all using their abdomen. The forceful exhalation is happening, but there is no relaxation on the shoulders. They are using your chest and shoulders like this. Don't do this. You have to understand that you have to your abdomen goes in as you forcefully exhale like this. I'm repeating many times, but you have to understand how it is very important part of our breathing exercise, pranayama. That is why I'm repeating all the time. So press the palms, right hand on your abdomen here, left hand in chin mudra. When I say 1 2 1 1 1, so keep like this. Otherwise, you can place your both hands in chin mudra and do it. Are you ready for this? So let's begin. Slowly sit in cross-leg position, Sukhasana. Keep your both hands in Chin Mudra. Keep your spine straight. Chest is more open. Your chin is parallel to the floor. Close your eyes. Couple of deep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Get ready for first round. Inhale deeply and begin. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale deeply up to a comfortable position and hold your breath for 15 seconds. Relax your shoulders. Your spine is straight. Slowly exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Get ready for second round. Inhale deeply and begin. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale completely out. Now inhale deeply and hold your breath for 20 seconds. And slowly exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. Inhale deeply and begin. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale deeply and hold your breath comfortably for 25 seconds. And slowly exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe for a while. Breathe. We can chant 3 Om together. Om. 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 Shanti. 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 Bring your palms together in prayer position. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Have a wonderful day.